guys, don't you hate it when you have an eggshell inside your cracked egg? Because God knows I do. But luckily there's a super easy way to take it out. All you need is water and your cracked egg. With your finger, you put your finger inside the water and you put it next to the eggshell, and then in a matter of nothing, you get it out. You're welcome. And why don't you want this inside your cake? Because other than the obvious, you do want crunch always in your cake, but not from an eggshell. And this does not cook, so you get it as is. So imagine having a nice bun cake and then getting this into your slice. You don't want that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you like this tip, there's many more to come, so be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.